everyone! Welcome back to my channel, TrashToTeach.
Open your inbox right now. How many unread emails do you have? 50? 200? Do you have meetings that were booked without checking if you were free? Have you ever missed something urgent because it got buried under newsletters and reply-all chains? The average knowledge worker spends 2.5 hours a day managing email. That's over 900 hours a year. Not doing work, just processing the admin layer around work. Today on TrashToTeach, we fix that permanently. We're going to build a Python AI agent that reads your inbox, prioritizes urgent messages, drafts replies, resolves calendar conflicts, and syncs everything, without you touching a single email. No Zapier subscription, no SaaS tool. Just Python, the Gmail API, Google Calendar API, and a local LLM call. Free, forever, yours. Why AI agents, not Zapier, not Gmail filters, not a VA? Before we write a single line of code, I want to explain why a proper AI agent is the right tool here, because you've probably tried the alternatives. Gmail filters are static rules. They're great for moving newsletters into folders. They can't read context. They can't tell that quick question from your CTO is more urgent than the same phrase from a mailing list. They have no awareness of your calendar when they fire. Zapier and Make are visual automation platforms. They're powerful, but they're also subscription-based, and more importantly, they're event chains, if this, then that. An AI agent is different. An agent perceives a situation, reasons about it, decides what to do, and takes action. It handles ambiguity. It can draft a reply that sounds like you. It can see that Tuesday at 3 p.m. is double booked and reschedule the lower priority meeting without asking you. That reasoning layer is what we're building today. The agent loop is simple. Observe the inbox, reason with an LLM, take action via API, log the result, repeat. Once it's running, you genuinely do not have to touch it. One more thing before setup. We're using local API integrations where possible, meaning your email data does not go to a third-party server. The LLM call goes to your choice of provider. I'll show you both OpenAI and a local Ollama setup, so you can pick what fits your privacy needs. Setup, AP is credentials and environment. Let's get the environment ready. You need Python 3.10 or later and 3 things from Google, OAuth credentials for Gmail and calendar access, and the API libraries. I'll drop the Google Cloud Console link in the description. It takes about 5 minutes to enable the APIs and download your credentials, JSON. In your .env file, store your API keys. Never hardcode them. We'll load them with python-.env. Now let's build the Gmail tool. The module our agent will call to read and act on emails. Building the email parsing agent. The Gmail tool has 3 jobs: fetch unread emails, classify their priority using the LLM, and take action. Either draft a reply, forward, label, or archive. Here's the core structure. The LLM returns a JSON object with urgency, action, and an optional reply draft. Our agent reads that and fires the appropriate Gmail API call. Mark as read, apply a label, or create a draft reply. No email leaves your account without you reviewing it first. The agent drafts, you send. That's the safe default, and you can change it once you trust it. Building the calendar sync agent. Now for the calendar tool. This agent's job is to detect conflicts, understand meeting priority from context, and reschedule the lower priority event, either by proposing a new time or by sending a reply to the organizer via the Gmail tool we just built. The main agent loop ties everything together. It runs on a schedule, every 15 minutes by default, checks email, checks calendar, resolves anything it can, logs every action to a local file, and sends you a daily digest of what it did. Live demo, results, and next step. Let me show you this running live. I've seeded my test inbox with 30 emails, a mix of urgent client messages, meeting invites, newsletter spam, and a double-booked Thursday afternoon. Watch the terminal. Agent cycle starts. Emails fetched. The client escalation is classified as high-priority draft reply generated, sitting in your drafts folder right now. The newsletter batch archived. The double-booked Thursday, the lower priority stand-up has been moved to Friday 9 a.m., and a polite reschedule message drafted to the organizer. 30 emails processed, 4 draft replies waiting for your review, 0 calendar conflicts, time elapsed, 11 seconds. That's the trash-to-teach approach. Take a problem that costs you hours every week, understand the components, and build a free, local, privacy-respecting solution that outperforms the paid tools. For next steps, run this in a Docker container so it stays alive without babysitting it. Add a Telegram or Slack notification so the agent pings you when it handles something unusual. And if you want to go fully offline, swap the OpenAI call for a local Ollama model. I'll cover that in the next video. Subscribe if you're here for more of this. We turn free tools into professional-grade workflows. See you in the next one.